Rogers Xfinity TV offers voice command recommendations to quickly find content. To use this feature, ensure you have an Xfinity voice remote, model XR15 or later, or the Xfinity Stream app. Press the microphone button on the remote and speak your request clearly. For example, say recommend comedies for kids, or what should I watch tonight? The system uses natural language processing, NLP, to understand your intent, genre preferences, and even mood. Make sure the voice features are enabled in your Xfinity settings. This system is available in the US and select Canadian areas where Rogers has partnerships or provides direct Xfinity access. To get the most out of voice command recommendations, try these tips. First, speak clearly and reduce background noise for better accuracy. The system learns from your viewing habits, so provide feedback by using the thumbs up-down buttons. You can also link your streaming accounts like Netflix and Hulu for unified recommendations. For personalized results, use specific requests like suggest shows with strong female leads. Note that Xfinity respects data privacy. You can opt in or out of data sharing via app settings. Finally, keep your firmware updated to ensure compatibility with the latest AI enhancements.